This one is from my first ever album that I put out in 2018, Dugay na Kayo Ba? This song opened a lot of doors for me, and as katong na-mention sa mga host kanina, I was able to perform abroad sa Indonesia, and because of support, people who supported my music. So salamat kayo. Final song, this one's called Contradictions. And kaning kantaan na niya, I'm gonna need some of your help later. Explain na rin ako. Sige lang, mag-gets rin ninyo dayon. Here we go. This one's called Contradictions. Thank you so much. Now you find yourself alone, just searching for answers in all your wrong places. Hands up. Now you find yourself alone, a wandering mind in the darkest spaces. Over now, you can't get over the sound of the silence. You're surrounded by the ghosts we found, a loving home in this town. They accept your invitations. They're asking for a place to stay, they're pointing to a quiet grave, but they don't know that's where you lay. You died the day she went away. Now you find yourself alone, just searching for answers in all the wrong places. Now you find yourself alone, a wandering mind in the darkest spaces. Newly independent cause you got nowhere to run to. Remember any moments that you wish that you could undo. Everything was perfect, now you're left behind and confused. In all the loneliness that you left to deal with. When she has her darkest days to try to help her up. If you prove you're not invincible, it's when she's had it up. And desperately you watch the tell me, was it really love? You see the feelings leaving through the ceiling up above. Now I'll go alone and never speak of this again. Down lonely road, you don't know what's around the bend. The world's colder, but you're gonna figure out a plan. Even machines break down, it's fine if you get sad. No, it's not so bad. You're getting help to breathe and find out you can't sleep. And I can have no dreams falling in too deep. The anxieties now inside your brain. Cause even when you wake, thoughts will dissipate. If you anticipate every step you take to reach another day, there's no other way. You're gonna be okay. You won't forget it, but I swear you'll get better. Now you find yourself alone, just searching for answers in all the wrong places. Now you find yourself alone, a wandering mind in the darkest spaces. Now you find yourself alone, just searching for answers in all the wrong places. You'll be stronger, learn to make it on your own. Free in your mind from the darkest spaces. Alright, for this last part, I'm gonna divide the room in two. Kailangan na tabang ninyo. This is my left side, this is my right side. Namo sa tunga, just sing twice. I'm gonna sing whoa. Left goes first, then right. Repeat after me lang. Okay? Left side, apin mo mga musikero din. Kailangan na tabang ninyo. Okay, you've been a great audience. Okay, left side, you're up first. My left. Okay, repeat after me. Kaya din. Whoa, 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 oh, left side. Whoa, oh, right side. Whoa, whoa. the end. Last time. Whoa, 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 oh, oh. It's over now. You can't get over the sound of the silence. You're surrounded.